In this video, I'll be assembling and going over the Hoffree gaming chair. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. Let's take it out of the box and start assembling it. Aside from the included screws in the assembly hardware, there are some screws which are pre-installed that need to be unscrewed. This makes it a bit easier, since you'll know where they go once you remove them. The directions provided are pretty straightforward and easy to follow, so it should take under 20 minutes to fully assemble this chair. All the needed hardware and tool for installation is provided, but if you want, you can use an electric screwdriver with the needed bit to speed things up. The neck or head pillow can be installed in whichever orientation you prefer. So here is the Hoffree gaming chair, fully assembled. It's available in multiple different colors and is a good looking chair. It has a breathable leather material with the Hoffree brand name embroidered to the front rim of the seat and top headrest. It also has a nice stitched pattern down the center of the chair. The neck or head pillow has a nice cushioned support, which should provide long-lasting comfort. The massaging lumbar or lower back pillow has a USB Type-A cable, which would need to be plugged into a power brick or adapter, which is not included. Or you can plug it into a USB port on a compatible computer. This is a decent massaging pillow, but don't expect it to be a Brookstone massager or anything like that. The seat is fairly thick with a memory foam cushion and high elastic sponge material, so it should be comfortable to sit in for long periods of time, and springs back into shape when you're finished sitting, so it won't cave in or leave a dip. As for reclining, it can recline between 90 and 135 degrees. It also has an extendable and retractable footrest, so it can be pulled out to extend your legs and relax. This would come in handy if you want to lay back and read a book, or if you're watching a movie. This chair is rated to support up to 440 pounds. The height can be adjusted up to 3.94 inches, making it more compatible for a wider range of people. Overall, this chair is comfortable and pretty solid build-wise. I don't hear too much creaking as I have it with some other chairs, and the wide variety of colors will allow you to choose the one that's right for you. With installation being easy and the affordable price of $170 US, which is currently listed at, it's well worth it in my opinion. If you're looking for a comfortable gaming or computer chair, which also has a footrest and isn't hard to put together, then I recommend you take a look at the Hoffree gaming chair. I'll place links in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.